In the last video, I explained to you how we are going to build our feature set. I explained to you that we will use the last four candles. Now, in a candle, there's a body, then there's upper wick and the lower wick. Upper shadow, you also call upper shadow or lower shadow. So most of the people they just discard these shadows, but we are not going to discard these shadows because they are going to help us improve our predictions. I hope you have followed through that video. First, we read that data from the CSV file saved on my laptop. Then I created these features. Now, I want to now explain something which is known as one hot encoding. What is one hot encoding? In neural networks, in fact, machine learning is basically two types: supervised machine learning, and in supervised machine learning, there are two types. One is regression type, and the other is classification type. Now, let me explain what is regression. In the last video, I calculated the prediction by subtracting the close 12 columns ahead with the close of present candle and divided by the open. So I got a number. So regression is simply like you want to predict the temperature of tomorrow. You say it will be like 30.2 degrees centigrade, right? So regression is when we have a numerical output. Classification is when we want to have discrete data. For example, here I want to just ask three questions: buy, sell, or no action, or hold, whatever you want to say. I want to ask my deep learning neural network, what should I do if I give the four candles? Should I buy, sell, or I should hold, right? I'm not interested in knowing that next candle will be 1 hour candle will be 2670.42. It will price will be. I just want to ask, should I buy? So what I do is that I have now changed my output column, right? Predict np dot where and data close dot shift 12 columns minus data close is greater than 4, means if it price moves by more than $4, then I should buy. This is my criteria. And if np where data close dot shift 12 minus data close price falls more than minus $4 in the next candle, I should sell, right? And if it is between 4 and minus 4 price, let's say price moves by $2, then I should just hold, do nothing. So I have included this thing. So the output will be either 1, right, like this, 1, 0, minus 1. Here the price moved by $4, so 1, Here price did not move, stayed between $4. It was ranging. I don't want to enter market when it's not moving much. So this is 0 minus 1. Now in neural networks, mostly we will deal with probabilities. Now we are building a classification neural network. First we build a classification neural network. It will make your concepts clear, and then later on maybe I will build a regression neural network. But for us, classification neural network is the best. We just want to ask our neural network, deep learning neural network, what should we do? Buy, sell, or hold? Okay. No, minus one, zero, one. We code it as we code zero as 100, right? The probability one means this is a probability. We code one as 010. This is the second digit. There is a probability one. That means that it moved more than four. Now, what we do in a supervised machine learning, deep neural network is an example of a supervised machine learning. We give the input. This was the input. Our input, I have told you, was this body, upper, lower, then the one step back, body, upper, lower, then two step back, body, upper, lower, then three step back, upper, body, upper, lower, shadow, four step back. So this was our input. We gave input and then we gave the corresponding output also. Corresponding, that means that when this was the input, so this was the output, means the price moved $4, price moved minus $4, the price was between $4. So we tell the neural network that these are the examples. You should now learn from this example, and if we ask you this question, so you give us that answer. So this is one hot encoding. In one hot encoding, each digit 100 is a probability. So once we will build our deep learning neural network, it will give us something like this answer. Our answer will be something like 0.2, 0.6, 0.2, right? So the probability of between price stays between 4 and minus 4 is 20%. Probability that price goes above $4 is 60%. Probability that price goes below minus $4 is 20%. So we will take this action, highest probability. Always remember, probabilities always add up to 1. So this is one hot encoding, right? And this is how we're going to encode it. Function hot encode. If x is 0, this is that 100, and x is minus 010, and x is minus 001. Then we use this list comprehension to convert this thing into. Now you should now be clear what is one hot encoding. One hot encoding is a very important concept, and it will help us make very good predictions.